Test checking. Test checking is a process of selecting and checking of a few transactions from a large volume of transactions. If the entries checked are found to be correct, then the auditor assumes that the remaining entries are also correct. The whole system of test taking implies selecting and checking only a few selected transactions so as to enable the auditor to form his final judgment as to the whole set of transactions. Audit notebook. Audit notebook is a register maintained by the audit staff to record the important points observed, errors, doubtful queries, explanations, and clarification to be received from the client. It also contains definite information regarding the day-to-day work performed by the audit clerks. And then next, audit working papers. Audit working papers refers to the document prepared by or used by auditor as a part of their work. Those documents includes summarizing the client's nature of the business process flow, audit program or procedure, documents or information obtained from the client, and audit testing documents. Audit working papers are sometimes referred to as audit documents. That is very important part to audit works. These documents are evidence that support the auditors to make the conclusion on the final financial statements. For example, auditor is an engagement with the client, the audit, the financial statement. Before signing the audit engagement letter, the auditor must obtain some information about the client. To the client's due diligence, they assess whether they should reject or accept the engagement. In this case, if the engagement is readily signed, that means the assessment is already done and accepted. The documents that auditor used to document the client nature of the business performed client due to diligence and assessment are examples of audit working paper, and it is subject to proper file and maintenance by the auditor.